Hello and welcome everyone. First of all, we will learn about the role of a TPM practitioner. Normally, in a general factory, the TPM practitioner is responsible to implement TPM and sustain it. So usually, the TPM practitioner is a separate role and usually act as a change agent. So this means bringing in real change to the organization. Then this role or this person should have plenty of knowledge about equipment maintenance and always preferred to be a technical person. Then should have good knowledge about the production operation. So this means the operation in the factory. Then should be a good coordinator and should be able to train others and should have some knowledge about lean manufacturing. So usually in a scenario like this, the TPM practitioner will need to work with most of these employees. And we will learn more about all of these roles in one of our coming lessons. Now, your organization may have a tall management structure or a flat management structure. Anyway, the role of a TPM practitioner is to implement TPM and sustain it. Now sometimes someone from the organization can learn theories about TPM and how to implement TPM and then act as the TPM practitioner. So usually the maintenance manager can do it, or maybe the maintenance engineer can do it, or sometimes a senior technician can do it. And it is always recommended for most of these roles to know about TPM. Does not need to have the knowledge of a TPM practitioner, but some knowledge about TPM. And we wish you all the best with the course.